Mine is going fine. Okay, my BOXY charm came today, so I'm doing my BOXY charm unboxing. I just got it. Okay, and for those of you all who don't know what BOXY charm is, it's a cosmetic subscription service, and it comes every month, and I believe it's $21 a month. And my daughter gave me a 3-month supply for Christmas, because this is my second one. So let's get to it. Let me stop chewing this gum like a cow. Okay. This is how it comes packaged up nicely. And it says BOXY and Chill on the card. Oh, and the card has a description of everything in this box and the prices. And it has a little description of everything on this side. First thing I see, oh my, is the Ofra. I didn't say Oprah, I said Ofra. Long-lasting liquid lipstick in the color Havana Nights. That's my color, y'all. I love it. Yes. Ofra. Oh. Yes, yes, yes. I already got some. Oh, it smells good. It smells like coconut. That's my color. Yes. Okay. Let me see how much they say this costs. If I were to buy it, $20. It says this matte liquid lipstick delivers long-lasting color that perfectly outlines and fills in lips. The stunning pigments stay put all day with minimal transfer while maintaining a comfortable wear. Infused with vitamin A and antioxidants, your lips will look and feel healthy all day. I don't think it's going to stay on my mouth no all day, because I'm about to fix some chicken, y'all. But this is my color. $20. Wow. If it lives up to the claims, then it's worth it. Because I like this color. And if it's like a lip stain, it's going to stay on all day. I like it. Okay. The second thing, wow. Tarte High Performance Neutrals Eyeshadow Palette. Rainforest of the Sea, Volume 3. So it's another palette. That's why I like BOXY charm, because they give you palettes. The big, nice full-size palettes. Let me get in here. Which one? No, they had several to choose from. Okay, I got this one. The blue one. I think they had a pink one and a purple one. Hard getting in here. Okay, there you go. These are the colors. Now they're all light. I need color on my big old eyes, y'all. Okay. I don't know. I know I used the dark color. There's one dark color here, and probably the light colors for the brow bone up under here. And they're all shimmery. All except for this one. That one there. That's not shimmery. Okay, we'll see. A nice big mirror. Don't want to blind you. Okay. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to sell this or keep it, because I'm only going to use a couple colors out of here. But this is pretty. Nice compact. Very pretty. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that or not. And let me see what it says. They gave you some eyeshadow looks on here, on the colors you can use. But my eyelids ain't the color of her eyelids, so it's not going to look like this on me. So let me read this. How much is this one? Tarte Limited Edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette, Volume 3. Dive into this vegan, crease-free eyeshadow palette that features 7 highly reflective, plush micro shimmers and 1 matte nude that serves as the perfect transition shade. This blendable and long-wear formula is enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants, helping to hydrate and protect your lids. The price of this is $36. Okay. Okay. That's nice. So I'm not sure I'm going to use it or not. Okay, the next product is BOXY. Don't Despair, Repair. And what is this? Strength Moisture Leave-In Mask. What is it? The Super Moisturizing and Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner. Okay. Provides reparative benefits and beyond. Its unique formulation of micro-encapsulated argan oil and an optimal blend of transformative nutrients that include B vitamins, coconut oil, algae extract, and biotin helps to promote healthy hair that will leave you looking your very best. This is $16. Okay. I'll be using this on my human hair Brazilian wigs. Nice spray bottle. And when this is used up, I'll just put my own conditioner formula in it. Nice spray bottle. So, okay, I will be using this. It's nice. And the last, oh, here's something. What is that? I think it's a eyeliner pencil. I'm not sure yet. Okay, Star Looks. Lux Long Wear Eye Pencil. Star Looks expands into a mechanical eye pencil with a launch exclusive to BOXY charm. Well, this is something new to BOXY charm. The intensely pigmented formula delivers a beautiful color that lasts all day. The easy to extend and retract pen makes application and continuous use seamlessly easy without ever having to use a pencil sharpener. This thing costs $19, y'all. I usually don't use the kind of pencil that you have to wind up. I like the kind you sharpen. I like the cold eyeliner that you sharpen. It works for me. Okay. I'm not going to take it out because I might sell this. All right, so that's nice. And the last 2 things in here is a Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. So they gave me 2 of these. I was looking for a mask in Walmart today. One of my YouTube honeys, Shanana, she always does a mask every Monday. And one Monday, she put this mask on and almost ripped her face off. I shouldn't laugh, but it was funny. I know I felt her pain. And she was trying to peel that mask off, and it took a layer of skin off with it. Ugh. But anyway, Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask 2 packs. This is worth $24 for these 2 packs. Okay, nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 milliliters of skin-quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy, luminous glow. My skin is oily. I don't need to be no more dewy. Okay. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restores skin's health and radiance. $24. Okay. So I will be using the mask. I will be using this. I will be using this beautiful lipstick. Some people don't like dark colors like this. They said it was transfer proof. Let me see. No. It transferred. Maybe because I had some lipstick on already. But anyway, I still like the color. Yeah. I'm not sure about the eyeshadow palette, if I'm gonna keep it or not. Hate to keep it and just use 1 or 2 colors. That's pretty. Okay. And I'm going to use this. Yeah. Because I do use eyeliners. But I prefer the colored eyeliners. Like, see what I got on? Like the green cold pencil or purple or blue. I like the colored eyeliner pencils. You know, the cold, it glides on very smoothly. Okay, so that's my BOXY Charm unboxing. I want to thank you all for watching. I want you to give me 2 thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And tell me what you think of this this month's box. This is January 2019. Okay, I got one more coming, y'all. Then I'll decide if I'm going to keep it or not. But this, I like the palette, but I wasn't impressed with this particular one because the colors are so light. And I have seen the pink palette. It would have been perfect for me. It has a pink glittery case. Very pretty. And the purple one was nice too. And the colors are different inside. So, thumbs up. Nice comment. Y'all be blessed, okay? Hold this empty box. Okay. Bye, y'all.